Okay, we're going to have a look at this, the first part of this Adinkra symbol sheet. If you look at this sheet, what we're going to do first of all is we're going to choose some symbols for our lino cut. And there's a bit of information on here about lino cutting, and we'll look at that in a while. But first of all, we're going to choose some of the Adinkra symbols. Now you can either choose 1, 2, 3 symbols to draw. You need to draw them quite big here, and you can choose 3 from this area here, or you can choose one of the ones that you've investigated before. So we've had a look at a lot of them before. So for the first bit here, what we're going to do is we're going to pick 3 symbols, and we're going to draw them as accurately as we can in this box here. Now you can use pen or pencil. If you have a fine liner, you can use that, and we need to pick 3 that you think might make a good lino cut, because we're going to lino cut those. Then once you've chosen those 3, look at them, think about, once you've watched the video on cutting the lino, which ones you think might be easier to cut. Now if we look at them, these 2 are probably, that one's a bit tricky, we've got thin areas to cut. This is probably not a bad shape to cut. That one, unless you're expert, is quite tricky to cut. So I've chosen that one, and then what I've done there is I've drawn that one out full size to get really good practice at drawing it. Now once we've done that, the next thing will be transferring that to our lino, and we'll look at that in the next clip. What we're also going to do is complete the stages on the bottom here for our lino cutting, but we'll look at that later.